Want to know how to actually make a living online?
Welcome back to the RV Odd Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes. Long story short, we sold most of our possessions in pursuit of freedom, independence, and adventure.
Because life is so short.
It is. And in this video, we're going to share with you how we had our first $5,000 month, what it's like actually making money online.
Feels good.
And share with you how you can learn from our mistakes.
And those classes that we've been working on for months, they're finally ready and they're available right here on our YouTube channel. So you may remember that we did have a video back in April when we made our first $1,000.
And in that video, we talk about generating multiple streams of revenue online. So in that video, we shared about affiliate marketing, YouTube, Google AdSense. We shared about sponsorships, and we also shared about selling product. This is a really big accomplishment because we launched our first video on YouTube on December 8th of 2018. By February, we were making $550 a month. By March, we had made over $1,000 a month. And in July, we made $5,000 that month.
Which feels amazing. We never imagined when we started out that we would get there that fast.
A little breakdown on the July numbers. Our total income for July was $5,035.
Yes.
2,272 of that was on Google AdSense. 2,428 of that was via affiliate marketing. And 335 of that was on product. Now, there's a lot of people out there who talk about making money online and who try to make money online, but very few people actually do make money online. Freedom, independence, and adventure are what we strive for, and we want to share how we're doing it with you.
Exactly. We picked the niche of RVing full-time as our first YouTube channel when we launched. We hired people to help us and teach us how to do this correctly so that we can be really effective in delivering the message that we had and help other people.
Well, now YouTube has this new feature called memberships. But unlike other channels that make memberships for content, what we're doing is we're just taking our YouTube classes and making those part of the YouTube memberships.
Yeah, and we are really excited about this. So there's going to be 3 levels that you can join us on. As always, we've been telling you from the beginning, we don't like Patreon. We are not doing Patreon. RV Odd Squad membership is and always will be free.
This is about relating the business aspect of YouTube, the behind the scenes. So the first level we call coffee and donuts. And it's a behind the scenes look at more the business. This level is really good for those of you that are considering starting a YouTube channel.
Exactly.
This level will give you an insight to what it's really like, because I think if more people knew all the work that's really involved with it and what it's really like, they might save themselves the trouble and not start it. So this is a good way to kind of poke your toe into the lifestyle without spending thousands of dollars and making financial decisions that you can't unmake.
Exactly. So for $9.99, you're going to get some emojis. You're going to get a badge, which is going to tell us how long you've been there. That badge will show up not only on the RV Odd Couple so that we know you're supporting us, but it's also going to show up in our live chats. Now, in that $9.99, we're going to do 1 live stream per month where we go live and we talk about the business side of our YouTube channel. Tips and tricks, what we've learned, stuff that we paid $10,000 for to make our channel effective to grow to the place we are today.
And this is a different live stream than the live stream that we like doing with the RV Odd Squad. So this live stream is more focused on the business side. The RV Odd Squad live streams will be more focused on the RV
lifestyle,
side.
Exactly.
We decided we didn't want Sage running around with sticks and we'd come back to the kitchen. Another principle that's really important to us is not to exclude anyone. So that is why our channel memberships are not tied to RV Odd Squad membership. More, they're tied to classes, they're tied to education.
Right.
We're just not that important that, you know, you should pay us to find out more about our lives and No, we need to give you value, and
Yeah,
the
we don't want to
best.
charge you for bloopers, and we don't want to charge you for sneak peeks. We don't see value in extra pieces of our lives. We do see value
In sharing our secrets.
well, sharing what we've learned, what we paid to learn. We want to help you guys grow, and that's what this is all about. The other nice thing about this is a month-to-month membership. You can cancel at any time.
And I don't know why more YouTubers don't talk about the money aspect
Yeah,
of
what's
things.
up with that?
Yeah.
What's up with that?
And I also don't know why they don't share the behind the scenes. So one of the things we want to do is dispel all the myths, because I bet you'd be shocked if you knew how long a 15-minute video really took to make. So now let's talk about the second level. And this is the YouTube $10,000 business blueprint.
You will get one video per month of a class that Mercedes and I have put together for you that is going to give you the blueprint that we use on every single video.
This really is going to be more self-paced. You're on your own, and you're not going to be getting that intensive feedback that some people might prefer. And this level includes everything that the previous level included as well.
And then the final level of our YouTube memberships, when you hit the join button, is our Bliss level. We literally had hundreds of emails, people asking what Mercedes and I had done with our channel to make it grow so fast. Now, we responded to those as best we can, but the truth is there's not enough time in the day for us to help everyone individually. So this, the Bliss level, the $49.99 level, is all the training that we paid $10,000 for, and we're condensing it into classes. You don't have to be in RV travel or RV life. You can be any type of a YouTube channel. Some people will say, I can't believe you spent $10,000. Well, guess what? We already made half that back in 1 month. I know you're gonna love it. We have a private Facebook group that's gonna help all of us stay in communications with each other. We're really excited about this because it's gonna give us an opportunity to share the gift that we've gotten. Listen, we have been more than blessed with the success. Now it's important for us to give that away so we can continue to grow. You've got to give it away to keep it.
One of the things that makes this group different is that this is a place for you to post your videos before you make them live on your channel. You get the feedback before you share it with everyone.
Right. Quick story. When Mercedes and I started our YouTube channel, we did campground etiquette. And we worked about 60 hours on that video, and we uploaded it to one of our consultants. He kicked it back to us a day later and said it was junk. You guys aren't important. Nobody cares about what you think. You got to work on helping other people.
That was the video that got us monetized. So thank goodness that we surrounded ourselves with people that tell us the truth. And that's what we want to do for you.
And this is a vehicle that we can use to help as many people as we can and grow the community that we crave, right? A community that tells each other the truth, a community that helps one another out, a community that collaborates together so that we can all lift each other up. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you've already started a YouTube channel and you're not quite getting what you need, remember, you're only one video away, guys, from making that thing explode. That's what happens in this space. That's what's so beautiful about it.
And this level includes everything that the previous level included as well.
So when you go to our channel, just look under the video next to the subscribe button and you'll see a join button. If you click that join button, you're going to see the 3 levels that we've talked about today. We'd love to see you on the other side. We're really hoping that channels that have been doing this for a while and haven't had a lot of success join us. At $50 a month, we think it's the best value out there. If you could, give us a thumbs up on this video, share it, and also stay tuned to our next video where we just talk about back in April how we made our first $1,000 and go over all the different pieces involved.